GM. I'm not. Sorry. Oh no. Okay. Chat, I tried, okay? We're down now. No, but it's so hard to not... I just get so nervous when I play against someone who's like the best player on the entire website, you know what I mean? It's like, of course you're gonna feel nervous. We're gonna get mated. I can't not get in my head. I can't not get in my head. I mean, he's literally the best player on the entire website. So then you have to deal with the psychology of knowing it's the hardest opponent you could possibly get on this site. Best. And then trying to play good chess. I know.